okay, there are some males here. You can see the males, the ones with the big base of the horns. Those ones are males. So like I said before, the horns are made for fighting because when two fully grown males are taking each other from long range at 20 kilometers per hour, the impact of hitting each other is equivalent to a car hitting the wall at 50 kilometers per hour. So when charging each other from a long range, one blow is going to be enough to separate them. But if a fight takes place from a close range, the fight might take longer.
They don't look like intelligent creatures. He's just staring at me and I don't like it. Look kind.
It's always nice for them to be in a group because not easy for lions to attack a big group. So when they spot lions, they stick together, forming a tight position. That will make it difficult for lions to separate one target. And then when they are in the teamwork, they can attack or even kill the lions.
Oh, there's babies.
Are they safe?
Uboya?
Yeah, the face. It seems like my pitches are
No, because of winter.
Oh, so they're shedding now.
They can get some mange, but in summer they will recover. So that mostly happens in the old animals. They lose hairs as a sign of old.
Oh.
Because compared to the young ones, they got nice hairs. Yeah. Roll down slowly.
And they see us, like seriously. This one they can see us, not just the car.
Hello guys. Look at his teeth. He's like got human teeth. It's so straight. Look.
No, they have human teeth. Where is in the teeth from now?
No, the one that's chewing.
Serious.
Chewing very obnoxiously. Why do they have human teeth? And they're just staring at you like you're
Let's see the calf
Now
over there.
I'm thinking Biltong, guys. You don't understand.
Thank you. That's what I was saying earlier. And you just
I'm thinking lunch.
it's the way the birds just sit on them.
Yeah, those birds eat parasites. So they are called red-bill oxpecker, and the Zulu name Izinyathi. Yeah, because they are more seen sitting on the buffaloes, a buffalo sitter. So birds are on the mobile restaurant, and getting some easy meal, then the buffaloes get some free massage. So they help each other. So they get free meal, and then the buffaloes get some free massage, or they get rid of parasite for free. And birds can also give early alarm signal to buffaloes because they can see more than them. Yeah, if there's danger, the birds can just make some noise and fly off, and then the buffaloes will be alert of danger.
Do you think animals of like different species can hear each other? I think so. How do they survive? They can't speak to each other.
Yeah, they got some ways of communicating with one another. So like when the nyalas see a predator, they make some kind of barking noise that is a warning signal, and then if there are some other species around, they can respond from that warning signal.
They're speaking to each other telepathically. Yeah.
Sometimes I think the birds peck too much and they kind of like have this
The baby.
Look at the baby. He's so furry.
Yeah, normally when predators are taking, they go for the small ones, babies, and the very old ones. So if lions can come here, they can make the group panic, and then makes the group run, and then they will select the slowest one.
Oh, so their hooves look like cow hooves, that divided in the middle.
Yeah.
So they are cows.
They are cows of all from them. They're not cows. Cows for them.
Uma kuhlangana inyathi nenkomo iphuma.
So ukhipha nje inkomo ehlanyayo ubulala abantu.
Oh.
Yeah, but you can do crossbreed them. But I don't know what you are producing there.
Yo.
Are those two back there a couple or something?
There's no couples. First come, first serve basis. Yeah, because might come a more dominant male than him, then the more dominant male can take over.
So basically cheating.
They're multiplying and dominating when it's so wrong with you.
That's what the excuse of a cheater says. Like, she's more dominant than you and whatever. She's just better and that's what they say.
Yeah, in the bush, it's a survival of the fittest.
Yeah.
These two be considered the ones. They're probably the elders.
Just looking at
The eyes.
They look at you with a sad eye. Oh, they're moving up.
I'm sure they're gonna go. Oh, they're going up here. All good?